Hello students, so in this video we are going to discuss this question is if sine 2 plus x minus sine 2 minus x divided by x limit x tends to 0 is given as a cos b. So simply this limit is given as a cos b and b have to find the value of a and v. Okay, so first I will solve this limit and that limit value I will equate with a cos b. In that way we will find a value and b value. So first I am going to solve the limit. So limit is limit x tends to 0 sine of 2 plus x minus sine 2 minus x divided by x. So if you will put the value of x as 0 here, then this will become 2 plus 0 sine 2. So it will be sine 2 minus sine 2, because 2 minus 0 is also 2. So sine 2 minus sine 2. So numerator will be 0, denominator is also 0. So we will get 0 upon 0 form. So obviously we cannot write the value directly. So how we will solve this? So we will use the L'Hospital rule. Correct. So 0 upon 0 upon 0 form. So I will use L'Hospital rule. In L'Hospital rule, what we are doing? To find the limits, we will differentiate numerator and we will differentiate denominator. So if I will differentiate numerator, then sine 2 plus x, sine derivative is cos, so cos 2 plus x, and then again 2 plus x derivative, so 2 plus x derivative 2 is 0 and x is 1, so into 1, so no need to write. Okay, and minus, then second sine 2 minus x derivative is cos 2 minus x, so sine derivative is cos, so I will write cos 2 minus x. And when I will do derivative of 2 minus x, so 2 derivative is 0 and minus x derivative is 1, so 0 minus 1 means minus 1, so minus 1 will be multiplied to this, so minus 1 will be multiplied means this minus will become plus, divided by x derivative is 1, so x derivative is 1, so limit x tends to 0. Now we can put the value of x as 0, so x value I will put 0, then cos 2 plus 0 will be cos 2, so it will be cos 2 plus, then this x as 0, then cos 2 minus 0 will be cos 2, so cos 2 plus cos 2, and denominator is the 1, no need to write. So cos 2 plus cos 2 I can write as 2 cos 2, it will be twice of cos 2. Now this limit value I got, so left side things I got as 2 cos 2, so this left hand, this limit value I got as 2 cos 2, and right side it is given as a cos b. Now you can compare easily, this 2 is equal to this a, and this angle b is equal to 2, so obviously a is also 2 and b is also 2, so if you can do comparison you will get a value as 2 and b value as 2, so option b, because a and b respectively, so option b is our correct answer. A value is 2 and b value is also 2. So L'Hospital rule is very important for competitive point of view. So I hope you understood the solution. If you have any confusion, then ask in the comment box. Thanks for watching.